Bereshit, chapter 45. Then Yosef couldn't control himself before all those who stood before him, and he cried, "Cause everyone to go out from me!" No one else stood with him, while Yosef made himself known to his brothers. He wept aloud. The Egyptians heard, and the house of Pharaoh heard. Yosef said to his brothers, "I am Yosef. Does my father still live?" His brothers couldn't answer him, for they were terrified at his presence. Yosef said to his brothers, "Come near to me, please." They came near. He said, "I am Yosef, your brother, whom you sold into Egypt. Now don't be grieved nor angry with yourselves that you sold me here, for Elohim sent me before you to preserve life. For these 2 years the famine has been in the land, and there are yet 5 years in which there will be neither plowing nor harvest. Elohim sent me before you to preserve for you a remnant in the earth, and to save you alive by a great deliverance. So now it wasn't you who sent me here, but Elohim. And he has made me a father to Pharaoh, lord of all his house, and ruler over all the land of Egypt. Hurry, and go up to my father and tell him, 'This is what your son Yosef says. Elohim has made me lord of all Egypt. Come down to me, don't wait. You shall dwell in the land of Goshen, and you will be near to me, you, your children, your children's children, your flocks, your herds, and all that you have. There I will nourish you, for there are yet 5 years of famine, lest you come to poverty, you and your household, and all that you have. Behold, your eyes see, and the eyes of my brother Binyamin, that it is my mouth that speaks to you. You shall tell my father of all my glory in Egypt, and of all that you have seen. You shall hurry and bring my father down here." He fell on his brother Binyamin's neck and wept, and Binyamin wept on his neck. He kissed all his brothers and wept on them. After that his brothers talked with him. The report of it was heard in Pharaoh's house, saying, "Yosef's brothers have come." It pleased Pharaoh well, and his servants. Pharaoh said to Yosef, "Tell your brothers, do this. Load your animals and go, travel to the land of Canaan. Take your father and your households and come to me, and I will give you the good of the land of Egypt, and you will eat the fat of the land. Now you are commanded, do this. Take wagons out of the land of Egypt for your little ones and for your wives, and bring your father and come. Also don't concern yourselves about your belongings, for the good of all of the land of Egypt is yours." The sons of Israel did so. Yosef gave them wagons according to the commandment of Pharaoh, and gave them provision for the way. He gave each one of them changes of clothing, but to Binyamin he gave 300 pieces of silver and 5 changes of clothing. He sent the following to his father: 10 donkeys loaded with the good things of Egypt, and 10 female donkeys loaded with grain and bread and provision for his father by the way. So he sent his brothers away, and they departed. He said to them, "See that you don't quarrel on the way." They went up out of Egypt and came into the land of Canaan, to Yaakov their father. They told him, saying, "Yosef is still alive, and he is ruler over all the land of Egypt." His heart went numb, for he didn't believe them. They told him all the words of Yosef, which he had said to them. When he saw the wagons which Yosef had sent to carry him, the Ruach of Yaakov their father revived. Yisrael said, "It is enough. Yosef my son is still alive. I will go and see him before I die."